The drive for innovation accelerates academic excellence and inspires future scientists. By partnering with METTLER Toledo, educators and researchers harness cutting-edge solutions to unlock world-changing potential. In chemistry, the smallest measurements can lead to the greatest breakthroughs. METTLER Toledo's instruments deliver the ultra-precision that's essential for every reaction, every formulation, every discovery. Progress in life sciences means constantly pushing analytical boundaries. METTLER Toledo's advanced instruments empower this quest, providing the innovative capabilities essential for achieving deeper biological understanding. Ensuring food safety and quality demands tools you can trust implicitly for your research. METTLER Toledo's solutions offer food scientists steadfast reliability, providing the consistency required to meet the highest industry standards. Teaching labs need dependable tools without steep learning curves. METTLER Toledo provides equipment designed for straightforward use, allowing students to focus on strong science, not complex controls. Partnering with METTLER Toledo elevates your research, enhances your teaching, and empowers sustainable scientific discovery. Find out how we can support you and the next generation on your academic journeys.